Po.
Okay, Miss Van, how does Tayo sa Wakas differ from Donnie and Belle's previous projects?
Yung pelikulang to kasi, I think, shows yun nga, as they were saying, something more complex and mas mature yung roles nila dito. Pero at the same time, also very grounded yung pelikula. Complex movie at tama si Direk, madamot yung trailer kasi mas marami pa kayong mapapanood.
You know, because of what you said, now we're having those ideas na to complement the trailer na nakita namin. Pero, you know, guys, kapamilya, it's something very relatable, accountable to everyone kasi na-experience natin lahat yan. Na-experience natin magmahal.
Mga nanonood, hello sa inyo na.
Thank you, Miss Van. How about the very lovely Mia?
Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Maraming pong salamat sa pagdalo dito at sa mga nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Ako po si Mia Canton, part ng cast ng Tayo sa Wakas.
Hi, Mia Canton. We love having you here. Emilio.
Hello po sa aming mga kaibigan dito sa media.
I have to say, it has to be one of the biggest, if not the biggest projects of Donnie and Belle so far. Tayo sa Wakas. Alright. Thank you so much for all the photos. And we'll ask Donnie and Belle to take their seats to be coffee. Boracay. Again, that was their announcement of the movie Tayo sa Wakas. Hindi po sila nangangampanya. It just seemed so kasi ang daming tao talaga dumagsa. But hey, that's just the power of the A-listers that we have for this movie. But again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Media Launch ng Tayo sa Wakas. We got our incredible cast and creators right here. Pagpalakpakan muna po natin sila before we start. Thank you so much.